Hi viewers, welcome to Akshay Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's see Veerattaneswara Temple, which is Tiruvadigai, Kadalur district, Tamil Nadu. It is the 39th Devara Padal Petras Shiva Stalam, 7th Stalam of Nadu on the banks of river Kedilam. This is one of the Atta Veerattana Stalam of the 8 temples where Lord Shiva killed the demons. This is the birthplace of Tirunavukarasu Swamigal, one of the 63 Nayanmars, and who had done service in this temple. After getting cured from the Sulai disease related to stomach-like ulcer, by the grace of Lord Shiva, he has become an ardent devotee. As per secular, after worshipping Lord Shiva of Irumbai Mahalam, Thiruஞான Sambandar came to this place. ஆதிதேவர் அங்கு அமர்ந்த வீரட்டானம் சென்று அணிபவர் முன்னே பூதம் பாட நின்று ஆடுவார் திருநடம் புலம்படும் படிகாட்ட தேவ பாலகர் பணிந்து மெய் உணர்வுடன் உருகிய விருப்போடும் கோது இலா இசைக்குலவு குண்டை குரல் பூதம் என்று எடுத்து ஏத்தி திருஞான சம்பந்தர் அப்பர் and Sundarar has sung hymns in praise of Lord Shiva of this temple. குண்டை குரட்பூதம் குழும அனலேந்தி கொண்டை பிறல் தென்னீர் கெடில வடபக்கம் வண்டு மருள்பாட வளர்பொன் விதி கொன்றை விண்ட தொடையலான் ஆடும் வீரட்டானத்தே. திருஞான சம்பந்தர். போர்த்தாயங்கோ ராணையின் ஈருரித்தோள் புறங்கா டரங்கா நட மாடவல்லாய் ஆர்த்தான் அறக்கன்றனை மால்வரை கீழ் அடத்திட்டருள் செய்த அதுகருதாய் வேர்த்தும் புரண்டும் விழுந்தும் எழுந்தாள் எனவே தனை யான விகட்கிடாய் ஆர்த்தான் புனல் சூழ் அதிகை கெடில வீரட்டானத்துறை அம்மானே. Tirunavukarasu Devaram. Since Tirunavukarasu has done service in this temple, Sundarar was afraid of stepping in. So he stayed in a madam near the temple. In that night, Lord Shiva, in the form of old Andanar, also slept along with him, keeping his leg on Sundarar's head. When Sundarar got angry and inquired, "Who are you?" Lord Shiva asked Sundarar, "Do you not know me?" Then disappeared. Sundarar was shocked and sung these hymns expressing his ignorance. தம்மானை அறியாத சாதியார் உளரே சடைமேற்கொள் பிறையானை விடைமேற்கொள் விகிர்தன் கைமாவின் உரியானை கரிகாட்டில் ஆடல் உடையானை விடையானை கரை கொண்ட கண்டத்து தம்மான்தன் அடிகொண்டேன் முடிமேல் வைத்திடும் என்னும் ஆசையால் வாழ்கின்ற அறிவிலா நாயேன் எம்மானை எரிகெடில் விட வீரட்டானத்து உறைவானை இறைபோதும் இகழ்வன் போல் யானே. Vallalar also praised Lord Shiva of this temple in his Tiruvaruppa. வார் கெடில சென்னத்திகை யோங்கி திலகவதியார் பரவு மன்னத்திகை வீரட்ட மாதமே. மூலவர் is Sri Veerattaneswarar, Sri Veerattanathar, Sri Adhigainathar, Sri Andagatta Khan. Consort Sri Tirupura Sundari Periyanayagi. Some of the features of this temple. It is a 7-tier Rajagopuram facing east. The temple tank and mandapam is after the Rajagopuram. A 5-tier Rajagopuram is on the second level to the sanctum sanctorum. Bharatanatyam 108 Kara reliefs are on the side of Rajagopuram. Palipidam, Dwajastambam and Rishabham are immediately after the second level. Rajagopuram. Moreover is big and made of 16 flat surfaces. Dharalingam. Lord Shiva with Parvati is on the back side of the wall in Koshtam, Lingodbavar and Durgai. In the inner Prakaram, Vinayagar, Murugan, Tirupura, Samhara Murti, Urchavar with bow and Uma. In Prakaram, upper 63 were Tilagavadiyar, Shanishwarar, Durgai, Siddhi Vinayagar, Shivalingas, Palliyarai, Sri Valli Devasena, Subramanyar, Kashi Vishwanathar, Gajalakshmi, Navagrahas, Nadarajar, Suryan, Chandrikeshwarar and Bhairavar. One of the special attraction of this sanctum, Vimana, is there are a lot of stucco images on all the four sides, which we cannot find in any other temples. Looks like Tiruther chariot. It is believed that the temple is older than Tanjavur Rajarajeshwaram and steps on both sides to the Artha Mandapam is the inspiration to keep similar arrangement in the Rajarajeshwaram also. Further, it is believed that the Mulavar, Vimanam, Tanjavur, Rajarajeshwaram and Kanchipuram Kailasanathar temple are built after seeing this temple. The 15th century Arunagirinathar also visited this place and worshipped Lord Muruga of this temple. அடர வேவரு மசூரர்கள் குருதியை அரசு ராவண அலகைகள் பலியுன அலையும் வேலையும் அலறிட எதிர்ப்பொரு மயில்வீரா அமர ராதிய ரிடப்பட அடர்தரு கொடிய தானவர் திரிபுர மெரி செய்த அதிகை மாநகர் மருவிய சசிமகள் பெருமாளே. History and inscriptions. This temple is believed to be existed before 7th century, built by the Pallavas and reconstructed during Chola period. As per the inscriptions, Lord Shiva was called as Virata Mudayar and the place also was called as Tiruvadigai, Adiraya Mangalam, Adiraja Mangalam, Adiraja Mangaliya Puram, etc. This place, Tiruvadigai, was called as Adiraja Mangaliyapuram, which was in different Nadu and Mandalam during Rajendra Chola I, Kulathanga Chola I, Kulathanga Chola II, Koperan Chingam. Legends. Appar returned to Hinduism from Jainism after he recovered from Sulai, Noi, disease related to stomach-like ulcer, through his sister Tilagavadiyar after drinking holy water of this temple well. There is a separate sanadhi for Appar. Sundarar did not enter the temple and stayed away in a madam since Appar was doing seva in this temple. As per the Sthala Purana, this legend is associated with the Lord Shiva's Tirupurantakeshwara story, one of the 64 forms of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva took this form to destroy the Tirupuras with 3 demons, Tarakaksha, Kamalaksha and Vidyunmali. The demons did a penance on Brahma and got the boon of Tirupuras made of gold, silver and iron, huge floating cities which can fly, travel to 3 lokas. They should meet once in 1,000 years, and if they are killed, all the 3 must be killed at the time by a single person with a single arrow. After getting this boon, they started torturing the Devas and ruled 3 lokas. The Devas sought the help of Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu told them that it may not be possible to destroy those who are worshipping Lord Shiva. He mooted the idea of sending Narada to all the 3 Puras and make all the ladies to lose their female worship. Then Mahavishnu took the form of Buddha, Jinas and preached them. This made them to forget the worshipping of Lord Shiva. Then Mahavishnu, Brahma and all the Devas went to Mount Kailash and requested Lord Shiva to destroy Tirupura. Lord Shiva started for the Tripura Samhara in a chariot created by Deva, carpenter Mayan with earth as chariot, Chandra and Surya as wheels, Brahma as a charioteer, Vedas as horses, Meruhil as bow, Adisheshan as the rope, and Agni and Mahavishnu as arrow. Vinayagar broke the axle of Shiva's chariot since he was not respected before starting. While the chariot started falling down, Mahavishnu holds the chariot on his back. The Devas were much worried. Arumagar came and told them that this was the act of Vinayaka, since Lord Shiva forgot to worship him before starting this venture. Lord Shiva asked the three Puras to be appeared before him. Till this, the Devas thought Lord Shiva cannot destroy without their help. Instead, Lord Shiva laughed at the Tirupura. The Tirupuras got burned, but the three demons escaped. Lord Shiva shot the arrows and killed all the three demons at a time. Mahavishnu, Brahma, Indra, Pandavas, Saptarishis, Vayu, Varunan, Yama worship Lord Shiva of this temple. Devotees may pray to Lord Shiva for stomach related diseases, childborn, family prosperity, etc. Apart from regular pujas, special pujas are conducted on Pradosham, 10 days Vasanta Uchavam in Panguni, Chittirai, Chittirai Sadayam, Upper Salvation Day, 10 days Vaihasi Brahmotshavam with Panchamurti procession which includes car procession, 10 days Adipuram, 10 days Manikya Vasagar Uchavam in Margali and Margali Tiruvadirai Tirthavari Uchavam. The temple is open from 6 am to 12 noon and from 5 pm to 8 pm. This temple is about 2 kilometers from Banruti bus stand on Banruti to Kadalur bus route. May reach through town buses, private and government buses, auto and share autos. The temple is 2 kilometers from Banruti town, 24 kilometers from Kadalur, 30 kilometers from Viluppuram and 185 kilometers from Chennai. Nearest railway station is Banruti. Let's all have the darshan and blessings of this god and goddess. Thank you viewers. Bye bye viewers.